Hello, my name is Katy Hailok. Today we'll tell you about my vacations in Cartagena with my family. Transportation. I went to Cartagena in a car from beach to beach, and we went by boat. Places I visit. We visit Baru Beach, Boca Grande, and we went to Castillo San Felipe by bus. Activities include um, activities include the sightseeing in the Ciudad Amurallada, dancing, diving, and cycling. Seafood. And we ate kinds of seafood shorts, shrimp, rice, and casserole. But the best were the ceviches. Think we need sunscreen, sunglasses, hat, backpack, money, etc. Thank you. Bye.